To start this DIY, I traced the small end of my candle holder onto a piece of foam that I had around the house, and I cut it out using my X-Acto knife. I used my scissors to trim off the excess foam. I attached my piece of foam to my candle holder. I took my piece outside and I spray painted it gold, and this is what it looked like. Next, I attached one of the 6-piece bowls that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the top of my foam. Next, I attached poinsettias that I also purchased at Dollar Tree using Gorilla Hot Glue to my foam. To fill in the gaps, I attached my leaves that I took from my poinsettia bushes using Gorilla Hot Glue. Once I was done adding my leaves, I was all done. I made 2 of these candle holders, and I'll show you what they look like next. Since these candle holders are plastic, I used battery-operated candles that I purchased at Dollar Tree. And here are my final Christmas candle holders. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.